Hi guys, Ben at Carbo Creations. Have you ever wanted to create your own gold statue? Stick around, I'll show you how to do it in 5 easy steps. So I got the idea for painting up some gold statuettes when I printed off my little bat Buddha here. Because it's a Buddha statue and most of the Buddha statues you see are either a burnished bronze or gold colour, I thought that's what I really want to do with him. But spraying something with gold is pretty easy and it only gives you that one glossy finish. What I really wanted to do was give it that weathered look to show its age and details within the model itself. I'd like to give a big shout out to all the prop guys on YouTube who do this stuff all the time and dedicate their channels to it. And especially a big shout out to a fellow Aussie cosplay Chris, who gave me the idea to use the brown shoe polish for weathering and staining the statuette. I subscribe to his channel. I suggest you guys do too if you like this sort of stuff. He does prop making and customizing collectibles on his channel. And it's really cool what he does. So be sure to check him out. Alright guys, let's get to it. 5 easy steps to turn anything you like into a bronze or gold statuette. For this project, I printed off a statuette on my ANET A8 3D printer. Alternatively, you could pick up a statue from your local discount store like a garden gnome, or you could even choose to paint up your favourite Marvel superhero as well. Once you have your object to paint, moving on to step 1, it's time to prepare it. One of the inherent issues with printing a 3D model is it ends up with a lot of layer lines from the print itself. So to prepare this model, I first sanded it back with a combination of 150, 300 and 400 grit sandpaper, and then went over it with Tamyyia's putty to fill in any of the holes and gaps that needed to make sure I had a smooth finish. For any of your plastic action hero models, you will need to prepare the surface first. This can easily be done with a plastic primer spray. Step 2 is priming the surface. I picked up some primer filler from the local auto parts store and I gave the model a quick once over, making sure the entire surface was covered. Make sure you're not overly liberal with this type of primer because it's got particles within it that help fill out those small imperfections in a surface. So if you've got a model with high detail, it could end up losing that detail. After about 2 hours when the primer's dried, we can start step 3, gold. So this gold I used was a British Paints Spray Easy Paint and Prime. I was sure to give the model at least 2 coats of this, about half an hour to an hour apart. Now if you prefer this look at this stage, by all means stop here. But if you want to go for that weathered patina look, carry on to step 4. In step 4 we're going to apply a stain or a wash onto the model. I picked up some brown shoe polish from the supermarket and it works really well at bringing out the detail in the model. Liberally coat the model to make sure the stain gets into all the cracks and crevices to bring out and highlight that detail. After staining the model, get some paper towel and dab off the excess, ensuring that there's some stain left in the creases and some patchy all over the model surface to give it that worn, patinaed, weathered look. Again, you can choose to stop at this stage if you've got the look you've desired. In step 5, we're going to apply a clear gloss spray over our model. This serves a couple of purposes. One, it's going to protect the paint and the stain that you've already laid on top of the model. And 2, it's going to dull down the metallic on the model, which is going to extend that weathered look. By this stage, your gold model has actually now come more to weathered gold or weathered bronze. So there you have it guys, that's 5 easy steps to turn any item you want into a gold or bronze statuette. I'll be uploading content every week, so be sure to come back and check it out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and you can follow me on all my social media accounts at Carbo Creations. Until next time guys, see you around.